a carnival in southwest China's Sichuan at the border with Laos and Myanmar. The people of Dai ethnic minority are celebrating the traditional water splashing festival, which coincides with the marking of a new year on Dai calendar. The event is an opportunity to express well wishes by splashing water on each other. Water Splashing Festival is also called Buddha Bathing Festival. Ahead of the festivities, there was a special ceremony to get water from the Lancang River, which is known as Mekong in Southeast Asia. In 2006, the festival was listed as an intangible cultural heritage item for its uniqueness and a long history. Today, the festival has become a popular event widely participated by people from different parts of the country. Some participants here came with water guns and other spray equipment, and the local government also hopes that such event can be a window for more people to learn about the city, and also an opportunity to boost its tourism development.